Welcome to the Quizerz. Are you ready for the toughest decisions of your life? Then let's play Would You Rather Hardest Choices Ever. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you sit on a durian toilet or a lava toilet? Would you rather only play Fortnite or Call of Duty? Would you choose to visit heaven or visit hell? Would you choose to be smarter or be more attractive? Would you rather have clean water for kids in Africa or get the mystery gift revealed at the end of the video? Would you rather run as fast as the Flash or as slow as a turtle? Would you rather save this puppy from a hungry killer whale or go swimming with Mr. Beast on his private island? Would you rather live in a mansion or own a yacht? Would you rather live in the Middle Ages or live in the future? Would you rather bring life to a fictional character or get into one fictional world? Would you rather create history or delete history? Would you rather fight a mermaid or a polar bear? Would you rather travel to the United States or Europe? Would you rather find a suitcase of money or your family's lost photo album? Would you rather swallow a marble or experience hypothermia? Would you rather walk on fire or walk on glass? Would you rather go skiing on a cold winter day or sunbathe on a summer day? Would you rather never eat fruit forever or never eat meat forever? Would you rather go diving under the sea or climb the highest mountain? Would you rather travel around the world or travel the galaxy? Would you rather eat good food or have a hot body? Would you rather race a horse or a car? Would you rather live in the forest or in a mountain chalet? Would you rather play games on PC or on console? Would you rather come to this Barbie castle or this horror circus? Would you rather win the lottery or find true love? Would you rather kiss this toad or comment your name and favorite animal? Would you rather receive $1 million right away or save your daughter from a fire? Would you rather have dinner at a restaurant or a picnic in the backyard? Would you rather be a math genius or an art genius? Would you rather talk to Jesus or own this private jet? Would you rather have the ability to control fire or control water? Would you rather be in Monster Jam or do bungee jumping? Would you rather be stuck living forever or have one life but live it very well? Would you rather go back to the past or go to the future? Would you rather live in a world full of adventures or live in a safe world? Would you rather have Spider-Man's ability for a day or Iron Man's suit for a day? Would you rather enjoy a winter vacation or a summer vacation? Would you rather drop your phone or drop your dog? Would you rather be able to change into any animal or change into any age? Would you rather be able to talk to the dead or move things with your mind? Would you rather turn anything to gold or have a genie lamp? Would you rather be able to eat anything you want or end world hunger immediately? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.